Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 36th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have discussed about various kinds of filtration. And I hope guys, you are clear with all the concepts which we have studied so far. So in today's class, we will learn more about Power BI Desktop. So our today class topic is bookmark. So to make you understand this bookmark concept, firstly I will create one visual here. So I am taking this funnel chart from here, and under funnel chart we will display the state wise sale. So I will take state column from this country and state table, and I will type sales here. So we have a measure guys here which is total sales. So I simply drag and drop here. So we guys can see we have created a state wise sale. And now our requirement is we want to see only state wise sale on this page. And if I click one button, then it will display only this funnel chart, which is state wise sale. And if I press another button, then it will display other visuals, not this funnel chart. So let's understand this concept with practical. So go to the insert section guys, and here is the option of button. So you guys can select any button from here. So I am taking this blank button. So here is the button guys, and now we will go to this format tab and click on general, and we have an option here guys which is title. So I am enabling this toggle. So I will add title here, and our title is state wise sale. So here text color is black, that's why it's not reflecting anything. So let me change the color into white and increase the size of this button. Now I will copy paste this visual, Control C and Control V. And drag and drop here. And again go to the format section in general and go to the title. And this toggle is already enabled, so I just simply remove this text from here and I will write all visuals. So guys, we have simply created only two buttons, which is state wise sales and all visuals. And now go to the view section, and we have an option here called bookmark. So we need to just simply click here, and we guys can see we have an option here add. So we can simply click on this add button, and you can rename your bookmark as per your choice. So my bookmark name is state wise sale, which is similar to this button visual. Now I will add one more bookmark here guys, which name is all visuals. So now guys, we have created two bookmarks. Now go to this selection pane. So once I click it on selection pane, you guys can see, we can see all the visuals which we have applied on our report. And here is the I button guys. So you guys can hide or unhide the visual with the help of this I button. So firstly, I'm creating state wise sale. So we will hide all the visuals except this funnel chart and these two buttons. So I will start from here. I will hide this slicer, product wise sale, total sales by region, customer name, and total sales. So we have hide all the visuals except these three. These two are button and the one is funnel chart. And once you're done with these steps, then you need to click on this three lapses and you need to update. And now go to the second bookmark, which is all visuals. And this time guys, I will unhide funnel chart only, because with this button, I need all the visuals except funnel chart. So our funnel chart name is total sales by state. So I will hide this only funnel. And again, we need to go there and click on update. So guys, we have created bookmarks, and now we will close all the panes. Now click on this button which is state-wise sale, and you guys can see the option of action button. So what we need to do, we need to just simply enable this button and click on this drop down. And in action button guys, we have an option called which is type. So we need to select this drop down and change back into bookmark. So once you click it, this option is also enabled. So we need to select the button name here, which is state-wise sale. And now I will select this second button, which is all visuals. And again go to the format section. And again we need to turn on this action button and follow the same steps. So I'll select bookmark here. And this time my button name is all visuals. So guys, we have covered all the steps of bookmark, and now see the magic. So if I want to see only funnel chart, so I will simply go this button and press control click. And when I go to this second button, you just simply go there and press control click. So we can display all the visuals which we have in our report, except this funnel chart. So I hope guys you are clear with the concept of bookmark. So you can create multiple bookmarks according to your requirement. So thank you so much guys for watching this. And those who are new to this channel, please like, subscribe and share. And for job support and personal paid training, for interview preparation or full course training, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn link is given under the description box. So thank you so much guys, and keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys.